Welcome to learn Advanced Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn about two important functions in Advanced Microsoft Excel. Let's start. These two functions are very important for reporting, summarizing, and like a magic for searching any data from a huge data store in Excel. Functions name are pivot table and vlookup. Let's start with pivot table. Pivot table is generally used to present data as a table format or represent a summary for a large number of data, even do more than that. For example, IMS shows more than 1200 employees information, and you need to find out the divisionized maximum, minimum, and average salary. Then how you will make this report just a few seconds. Let's see. Okay, here is the data and it holds almost 1271 data. Okay, this is the field name, employee ID, name, division, department, joining date, end date, and gross salary. If we need to find out the division wise gross salary, then you can do it just a few seconds. I will show you how. Okay, let's see. First, select the full table. Okay, then go to insert menu and click pivot table. Then click OK. You will see that the field name is on your right corner. Then you need to select division. Okay, division is or are on the row levels field, and then you need to select gross salary in values, within values. Then click the small arrow and go to value field settings, then select maximum. Okay, then you need to select again gross salary under values. Okay, then again click the value field settings and minimum. Again you need to select the gross salary and then click value field settings and select average. Okay, now you will see that the data present division wise maximum, minimum, and average gross salary. Okay, you almost done. So I think you all understand how to do. Okay, let's talk about vlookup function. Vlookup is generally used to pick or search or matching data using a unique field from a large number of data in vertical order. For example, IMS shows more than 1200 employees information, and you need to pick some specific data in the case of some individuals. Then how you will do that just a few seconds. Let's see. Okay, you reach some individual employee's ID and we need to pick the division name and gross salary. Actually, how we will do that? Don't worry, VLOOKUP function makes it more easier than you think. Okay, let's do it. Type equal to then VL and you will see the VLOOKUP function. Double click on that and press function. Then in VLOOKUP value, you need to select the employee ID, that is your unique ID, and you may lock it to press F4. And in table array, the information where we can pick the information. Okay, then select the full table and you see that the division is in three column and the gross salary is in number 7 column. Then we need to select the full table and we may lock it to press F4 and then division name is in 3 column and if it doesn't match by default it choose 0. Then press OK. You will see that the division name. Okay, then double click into the plus icon. Wow, the division name is already we able to pick, and if we need to pick up the gross salary, then just copy and paste the gross salary field, and we need to change the 3 and write 7. Okay, now press enter. You will see the gross salary, then double click it. Okay, you will see that we found our desired information from the data. Okay, this is all and hope you all understand the important two functions in advanced Excel.